Hello and welcome to this new video on how to share Instagram story on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram interface, and when you are able to access the Instagram interface, you just have to look on the screen on the top. There will be stories of the people and yourself. Now you just have to choose the story that you want to share with your friends or other persons. So you just have to choose the story that you want to send. And when the story is opened, you just have to look on the bottom right hand side of the story. There will be a 20 icon, so you just have to click on it and a share section will be appeared right in front of you. Now you can just search the name of the person whom you want to share this particular story, or you can just scroll down and choose the person that you want to share, and you will also be able to share multiple people at the same time. And when you have chosen the people that you want to share the story, you just have to click on that send separately button or the send button, and after that you will be able to share Instagram story on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.